Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking to you about our new Hypershift clutch kit for the Polaris 9R trail sled. So like the new 2025 9R XCR trail sleds like that, and this will transfer into the 26s. We have our Hypershift clutch kit available, and this thing is badass. It is awesome. I've got lots of miles on it. It absolutely rips. Really wakes up that 9R and pulls like an absolute freight train. Back shift is spot on. You guys are gonna love it. If you want, click the link below. Take you right to our website. You can read up on it. You can purchase it. You can email us if you got questions. You let us know. You guys want to dive into this a little bit deeper? I will. Earlier in the season, we released our lake race setup for these, which is just for guys that are out on the lake racing, you know, back and forth. They aren't so much concerned about the all-around trail performance. They'll sacrifice a little bit of back shift just to beat their buddies in that 500-foot or 1,000-foot race. That kit's already there. This is very similar to that, but the setup has changed a little bit just so it's something like, I like to refer to it, you know, if there's a guy who's out there and he rides like a cross-country racer and he's wide open from corner to corner, this is the kit for you. Like I say, it absolutely rips. Comes with a set of our new Ripper clutch weights that we released a couple years ago. There's dual adjustment points. There's a belly adjustment and a body adjustment. We already send these to you pre-set up how we want them to go on your sled. 99% of the time, you don't need to change anything. You just put it in, verify your RPM, and the thing's gonna rip. If you like to tinker, you like to play, those options are there for you, but you guys that just want to bolt it in and have it work the way it should, that's how they come in the box from us. Then you obviously have your weight adjustment setups. We do move the roller with our weight setup. We stand the weight up a little bit more to get a little more belt squeeze down on the bottom. That's what that shim's for. Comes with new rollers, and these are the smaller rollers, and this allows us to go back to the 2-angle or the twin tracks helix option. And then this helix is way lighter. It's almost a half a pound lighter than stock. 100% made in the USA too. And then we top it off with our H5 alloy springs. Kit retails for $629.95, 100% made in the USA. And like I said, corner to corner, ditch to ditch, driveway to driveway, you know, on and off the gas performance is awesome. It pulls like a freight train. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. I personally guarantee that. And like I said, yeah, 100% made in the USA. Retail price is $629.95. Check it out on the website. Let us know if you have any more questions.